companies do you invest in a year?
Depends. You know, there will be probably, there's averages are meaningless because the opportunities are different. You know, there might be years you don't really have a lot of opportunity, and then there might be years you have a lot of opportunity. It just sort of, it all depends on what really become available to you. But one thing I guarantee is, they don't really come in steady pace. I don't really have a steady kind of once a month, once a week type of idea. I never had that throughout my career. Back into the times, you know, when I started this thing 15 years ago when I was at Columbia, at the time I was an undergraduate student, when I bought, I think throughout that maybe 5-6 years of when I was in school, at college, law school, and business school, maybe I have maybe 3-4 big ideas that really pay off big. And, you know, how do you average that out? And then afterwards, you know, I get a little bit better. You know, the things about this approach is you progressively get better and better and better. To the point you look at a page like that, it takes you, you know, a couple minutes to tell you right away whether something can jump out. You can smell it when you say something. So you get better and better and better. So you might actually have more opportunity. Or the market is just not cooperating and you don't have a lot of opportunity, good ideas a year goes by. And that's okay. But I do not want to, a whole year goes by, whereas I did not learn anything. I did not establish a good insight, or at least I thought it was a good insight, or destroy the insight I thought I had. You want to go through every day by learning something. It's a good mental discipline to have. And a year goes by, you have to learn a great deal.